In order to create and edit reading lists, you will need to install the bookmarking extension tool on any browsers you plan to use. The bookmarking extension is currently supported by Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari. This will allow you to collect and save any bookmarked items within your My Bookmarks area, for example, books, ebooks, articles, and web pages. How to use the bookmarking tool will be covered in another video. To install the bookmarking tool, you will first want to log in at Tallis. If this is your first time logging in, simply press login and it will create an account for you as long as you are signed in on the browser with your Warwick credentials. Go to the My Bookmark section along the top. You will need to press the large Install Bookmarking Extension button at the top of the page. A box will then pop up on the screen. You will need to follow the Install the extension for your browser instructions depending on which browser you are using. I am currently in Microsoft Edge. Follow the instructions provided by the relevant browser. I'm clicking Get and adding the extension. The very first time you install the extension, you'll be prompted in a new browser tab to select your institution. Simply search for Warwick and click Save. Once you have done so from the drop-down menu and saved this information, it will confirm that your selection has been saved and you can close that browser tab. It's recommended that you pin the bookmarking extension tool to your taskbar in your browser. To do this, click the extensions icon, then click the pin next to the Tallis Aspire reading list. Your bookmarking extension tool has now been successfully installed and is ready for use.